Hi, I'm Randy Northrup, and I represent Scorpion Exo Helmets. And today we're going to talk about the Exo 400. The Exo 400 helmet is a polycarbonate helmet, and some of the key features on this particular helmet that run throughout the entire Scorpion line is the Quick Wick moisture wicking material. This Quick Wick moisture management liner is completely removable, washable, and replaceable. You can actually throw it in the washing machine and in the dryer to quickly refresh your helmet. It's also replaceable and customizable with some different graphics. The Exo 400Y model is our youth model that has the AirFit helmet pump system. This is the same Exo 400 helmet with the Everclear No Fog face shield and the Quick Wick moisture wicking liner, but it also has the installation of the AirFit helmet pump system to custom fit to your child's face. This also model works very good for very small female riders as well. That's the Exo 400Y model. Another key feature on this particular helmet is the Everclear No Fog face shield. This Everclear No Fog face shield is standard on all of our full face helmets. The polycarbonate shields are very tough, very durable. They're made in Canada. The anti-fog coating is also made in Canada. This process is very hard to duplicate, and that's why we chose to manufacture this process, manufacture these shields and do this process in Canada. Same manufacturer that does the NFL and the NHL shields. You saw how easily the shield comes off and on. This is with the Speed Shift Quick Change Shield system. Just allowing this shield to be able to be changed out quickly for tinted, dark smoke, silver mirrored, tinted visors, depending upon your riding style. That's the Exo 400 helmet, the polycarbonate model. It's an entry-level helmet starting at $129 for your solid black and whites, $139 for the mattes and metallics, and $149 for graphics like this. This has been the Exo 400 and the Exo 400 Youth model. Thank you for watching.